This, my friends, is Cheeky Cakes. It's absolutely divine. Let's show you how to make it, and let's tell you how good it is. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we got our blueberries and blackberries, frozen, organic. Let's go ahead and put it in my Vitamix. I use a stainless steel Vitamix, always linked in the description of this video, as well as the pinned comment. Now, 3 spoonfuls of Trader Joe's, doesn't have to be Trader Joe's, organic unsweetened applesauce. That just means it's literally mashed up applesauce, no sugar added, organic. We're gonna do 3 of these. Now, organic cinnamon of your choice. This is just a reusable container. This is actually organic cinnamon from Costco, but Sprouts Vietnamese organic ground cinnamon is delightful as well. Let's go ahead and put this on in. Looking good. 1 large ripe banana on in there, and a ½ cup of water. If you really want to, you can use almond milk or something like that, but that's just going to add more calories. If you want to stay away from dairy, this tastes beautiful with regular water. Again, ½ cup, 4 ounces of water. All right, I blended it up in my Vitamix. We're going to go ahead and put that in the freezer overnight. All right, we got the Cheeky Cakes base in our spinner. We're going to go ahead and put it on in. All right, we're going to go ahead and hit full. Come down here to the Lite ice cream setting, and we'll go ahead and give it a rip. Alrighty, after our first spin, we're gonna go ahead and look at it. It's too dry. I have a heaping tablespoon of peanut butter in there, organic, creamy. And now we're gonna add in a 1/4 cup of Coach's Oats for some nice grit to it. This is optional, but I really, really like it. Adds a great texture to Cheeky Cakes recipe. So again, we have peanut butter in here. We're gonna go ahead and put our 1/4 cup of Coach's Oats. That's organic from Costco, both of those, peanut butter and Coach's Oats. Now we're gonna add about 2 ounces of water from Costco. But again, I'll link the recipe and ingredients below. You can pick this up on Amazon. This is Madagascar vanilla organic maple syrup. We're gonna put a ½ tablespoon into our container here. ½ tablespoon. All right, now we're gonna respin. We hit full and respin. So let's respin it now. All right, second spin, looking absolutely fantastic with the grit of the oatmeal. Peanut butter is mixed in there, ½ tablespoon of Madagascar vanilla maple syrup. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and put in a 1/4 cup of organic pecans. If you want them a little bit more crumbled up, grab the 1/4 cup in your hand, crunch it up, and then put it in. If you want them a little bit more whole, just dump them in as they are in the Costco bag. I might have to get a little bit more out of my glass jar. This was just the remainder left in the plastic bag. Again, 1/4 cup. Then we have sliced up organic strawberries. We're gonna go ahead and put ½ in with our pecans. And then right here, this is what makes Cheeky Cakes Cheeky Cakes. This, I will get the recipe. This was left over from my dad's birthday. These are sourdough pancakes my mom made. They're absolutely delicious. We're gonna put ½ of that in as well. Just like this here, and now we're gonna go ahead and hit full once again, and we're gonna go ahead and do mix in for this round right here. BEA beautiful. Now we're gonna go ahead and take the other portion of strawberries and sourdough pancake. We're gonna go ahead and dress it up, as well as we'll drizzle another ½ tablespoon on top, maple syrup on top of the sourdough pancake. This, my friends, is the Cheeky Cakes. Looking absolutely fantastic. We got the sourdough pancake in there with the strawberries. Look at the presentation with a ½ tablespoon of maple syrup drizzled on the top of that. Let's check out this consistency. Look at this. That looks absolutely divine. Look at that. Look at that presentation. Let's tuck into this. Cheeky Cakes for the win, my friends. Just like all my recipes, it's going to be in the description box and the pinned comment of this video. Subscribe, follow along for more, and stay tuned because we got more recipes in the books. We'll see you on the next one.